What's that?
Oh. Yeah, it's a special one for you, Bubba.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it on off something?
No, you tell me.
If I open it?
Yep.
Is this a can? Yes! A Kindle Fire HD!
You like it? Yeah?
That's
Finally.
awesome.
I can get my own thing.
Look at it, and then you can use a case for it.
Brand new case. You were like, what the heck is this for?
Yeah, I like,
Mommy's already got a case.
yeah. But I have to have a case.
Mm-hmm. Here, let me help you with that one. Here, slide it out. Like
I
that.
have to turn it.
Oh, okay. I know it's a very difficult box to get into.
Yes, because my fingers are just so tiny.
All right. Let me help you, Bubba. Or dump it out in your game.